There was a time when my father used to ask me to sit with him, or my mother used to call me for help. So, at every time, I used to ignore them, or rather, I would say, I don't have time. Hello, everyone, this is Harshika. Today, I want to share a journey of a girl who slowly realized what truly matters and how she transformed her life by living with less. You know what, friends? For a long time, I believed that having more meant better. Having more plans, having more dreams, having more achievements, having more travelings, these all would give me fulfillment or inner satisfaction. But slowly, I realized something very important is that we keep filling our life with the external things. And we rarely ask to ourselves that are we truly living or just adding more and more without feeling anything? Every day, we run after something new. New trend, new comfort, new phone. But do we really feel grateful or thankful for the little we already have? Or are we stuck in a cycle where nothing ever feels enough? As per me, what I could understand is that we all have been living in a world that teaches us more means better. More plans, more travelings, more achievements, more dreams. But at the end, without even noticing, we start feeling heavy. Heavy with thoughts, heavy with desires, heavy with expectations. There was a phase in my life that taught me this thing very deeply. I was diagnosed with the disease. At that time, I was completely dependent on my family for every single work. Eating, walking, I needed them. But not even once did they complain. They supported me, they stood by me throughout my recovery process. So, because of these small moments, I realized a very painful truth is that I had been so self centered in my thinking. I kept dreaming that what I will do when my life will get better. I had not been seen in my surrounding that I had a supportive family, I had comfort, I had everything, but I never appreciated it. That was the first hint. During my recovery process, I decided that I should work on my English. So I went institute where I can improve my English. So one day what happened? My mentor, he was giving English lecture. After this lecture, he was explaining the meaning of gratitude. And he randomly asked from everyone that who made this pen. At first, the question felt very ordinary, but later on, when he started explaining that not one person made this pen, there are many people who contributed on this pen. Someone thought about it, someone designed it, someone assembled it, someone transported it, someone put it in a store. That's why we all have been using this pen. That explanation had shifted something inside me, and I started thinking that if this small pen carries a contribution of so many people, so how much gratitude should I feel for those people who are beside me, especially my family? That experiences taught me that life is not just about collecting more, but about feeling more. It's not about having everything, but about being grateful for the little we already have. That day, I made a simple habit and still I have been practicing. I want to share with you all. I started living in a present moment. I started enjoying simple things and small things. For example, if my mother wants to gossip with me, so I don't say I don't have time. I sit with her. I truly listen to her with full of my presence. If my father wants to sit with me, so I don't say I don't have time. I sit with him with full of my presence. If my siblings wants to gossip with me or they want to communicate with me, so I make sure that I truly listen to them. Even though I want to buy something new. So before buying anything, I ask myself that do I really need this? And most of the time the answer is no. So at the end, I want to say just one thing to you all is that stop running after something new and start feeling what is already here. I'm not saying that we should stop dreaming, we should stop achieving. We should. But we should not wait for one day and one moment that this moment will come, then we will start appreciating everything. We all need to understand that life is happening right now. Because living with less is not about having less. It's about feeling more and appreciating for what we already have. Thank you for listening me. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.